Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, February 13th. We are seeing some rain showers out there once again this morning, as well as some very mild temperatures. Temperatures already above 61 degrees, which is running about 15 degrees above normal for this time of year. We are going to continue to see rain showers persist throughout the workday today until around 8 p.m. when we'll see that front move south of the area, and then we'll start to see a cooler, drier air mass start to usher in as we go into tonight and into tomorrow. Take a look at our surface analysis here. We do have this pretty extensive front running across all the way from the western Florida panhandle, pretty much across the entire eastern seaboard all the way up through Maine, giving rain showers across a large area of the country this morning. That front will continue to move eastward as we go throughout the day. It's moving pretty slowly, so we are going to continue to see these rain showers as we go throughout the rest of the day today, and then with the actual frontal passage, seeing perhaps even a very brief, heavier period of rain as we go into the early to mid-afternoon period, and then rain will be ending at around 8 p.m. this evening as we get that front then southeast of the area, and getting some drier air starting to move into the region as this high pressure that's currently over the northern plains begins to build in across the northeastern United States. So taking a look at our radar this morning, already seeing some light showers falling since about 8 a.m. this morning, though these light showers will persist as we go throughout the rest of the morning hours. We're seeing the more moderate rainfall still up towards the D.C. area with that front still way up there. That front will continue to push closer to our area as we go into the afternoon, and that's when we'll get our best chance of seeing some more moderate rainfall rates towards the early to mid-afternoon period, and then maybe even into the late afternoon before that rain exits the area by 8 p.m. Taking a brief look at our upper-level winds this morning, we are seeing southwesterly winds at the surface pretty much up through the entire column through 25,000 feet. Winds are running 30 knots just above the surface, then quickly increasing up to around 60 knots between the 3 and 12,000 foot layer, and then we're seeing those winds increase further from 100 knots at 16,000 feet to 115 at 25,000 feet, seeing a very high freezing level this morning, especially for mid-February at 11,400 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, we are going to be seeing a high temperature in the around 63 degrees as we go towards the noon hour, and our average high for this time of year is 44, so that's close to 20 degrees above average as this mild stretch of weather continues. We will be seeing those southwesterly winds around 9 to 14 knots late this morning, and then maxing out at around 10 to 15 knots and gusty early this afternoon. Then we'll see that front moving through, and those winds will shift westerly, then northwesterly by early this evening at 10 to 15 knots and gusty, remaining northwesterly overnight, possibly seeing winds pick up a little bit behind that front, and then weakening as we go towards the mid-morning hours, becoming northwesterly 8 to 13 knots and gusty by sunrise tomorrow. We are going to be seeing a little bit more of a cooler low tomorrow of 35 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we are going to continue to see ceilings below 1,000 feet this morning as we get these light rain showers moving through. Then we'll see ceilings still pretty low, but not quite as low, with those more moderate rain showers expected around 1,500 feet or so to 4,000 feet as we go throughout the afternoon. After 8 p.m., once that rain moves through, we'll start to see those low clouds slowly clear out, becoming few at 2,500, scattered at 20,000, broken at 25,000 by midnight, and then by sunrise tomorrow, just seeing a few clouds near 2,500 feet and a scattered cirrus deck at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing tides normal this morning along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Taking a look at our short-term weather model, our HRRR, to see how this rain is going to progress throughout the day. Like I said, just seeing those light rain showers through the morning hours, and then once we get the actual front starting to pass through, we will be seeing a chance of just some more moderate rain showers in the mid-afternoon period. And as that front continues to push southeastward, we are going to be seeing that rain shut off about 8 p.m. That seems to be the solid consensus along with our short-term models for when that rain is going to end. And then we'll be seeing just some drier air moving to the area through the overnight hours, with those clouds clearing out by Friday morning. Taking a longer look at our forecast here, there's that front that's going to pass us tonight, and then we'll see that high pressure build in as we go Friday into Saturday, bringing a very cold air mass into the region for this weekend. We are going to see winds slightly breezy tomorrow afternoon, but the pressure gradient doesn't really look terribly tight. So really only going to be seeing gusts, an isolated gust tomorrow afternoon, maybe up to 25 knots. Does look like most of the models have agreed that it's maybe between around 20 to 22 knot gusts are what we are going to be seeing, especially during our planned T0 tomorrow. So that will be good. Also going to be seeing that cold air move over some of those relatively warmer bay waters. Could give us a couple of just cumulus clouds around as well for tomorrow, but otherwise going to be seeing that cold air mass move in, giving us a return to more average highs for tomorrow. And then as we go into Saturday morning, that high pressure is going to settle in across the northeast and mid-Atlantic, giving us some clear skies and calm winds, and that's going to actually allow our temperatures to really plummet much farther than we've seen in quite a while this winter, expecting low temperatures Saturday morning into the teens across the Delmarva. So very cold, high temperature is only getting into the mid to perhaps upper 30s for Saturday, and then we'll start to see things slowly moderate as we go into Sunday. High pressure will still be in control, keeping our weather dry, and then high pressure moves offshore on Sunday night into Monday. We'll start to see those temperatures climb back up into the lower 50s for early next week, and seeing some moisture slowly increase as well. Then as we go into Tuesday, going to be seeing that southerly to southwesterly flow return again, helping to bump our temperatures up ahead of our next low that you could see on this map here, and also going to be reintroducing those chances of rain showers as we go into midweek. Does look like we'll see a little bit of a chance of some rain showers Tuesday or Tuesday afternoon, and then seeing another front move through the area. Looks like on Wednesday, and then as we go into late next week, seeing another shot of some very cold weather to end our week next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be looking at those cloudy skies today. Temperature is 63 degrees. It is going to be partly cloudy tomorrow with a high of 41. And then there you see that very cold low for Saturday morning, 18 degrees expected here at Wallops. Could even be seeing some mid to low teens across the coldest portions of the areas of the Delmarva. Saturday, cold high of 37 under mostly sunny skies. Then Sunday and Monday is going to be pretty benign weather with some fairly pleasant temperatures for winter, with highs in the lower 50s as we get a little bit more of a mild air mass coming into the mid-Atlantic region. Then on Tuesday, we'll see those southerly to southwesterly winds increase ahead of our next system, bumping those temperatures back up to about 15 degrees above normal, back to a high of in the upper 50s, also giving us a chance of scattered showers. And then our temperatures on Wednesday are a little tricky right now, as it's pretty far out, and our temperatures are going to depend on the exact timing of the cold front that's expected to pass Wednesday, as it does look to be a good amount of cold air that's going to quickly come behind that cold front. And so depending on the timing of that cold front, it will have an impact on our high temperature. Right now, it looks like the high for Wednesday will be occurring in the morning, and then seeing those temperatures plummet throughout the day with some scattered showers as well. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on tomorrow morning if we do not launch, and then we'll see you Tuesday morning otherwise at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.